Happy New Year! Happy 2018. I'm here. Oh, first of all, welcome to my channel if you're new, and thank you for coming back to those who subscribe or who just come across my channel, just flipping through, or if I pop up on the side of the screen, however you discovered me. Thanks for coming, and I hope you are going to have a happy, well, and blessed new year. I'm here to show week 2 of my December daily, and I was debating if I was going to also show week 3. I was going to try to get some stuff done. It just got way too busy, and I've gotten farther than last year as far as this, but I'm going to just take my time and finish off, do a little bit at a time in January to finish this off. So I may not show this again, or if you're interested, then I will show it probably at the end of the month because I'm ready to move on. So I just want to share week 2 and also to show what I had left. Yeah. So I believe, on day 9, 10. So here I'm just showing a picture of where I made some ambrosia salad, and my sons, it was their first time tasting ambrosia salad. So that's what that picture is. And here my daughter is painting. If you know, what is her name? The Frugal Crafter. She actually had a PDF, which I'll show you, of this picture. So you actually do little mini canvases. I will, if I don't get to link her channel, it's the Frugal Crafter. And my daughter actually took all 4 of these pictures. I had a 12 by 12 canvas, and she painted the picture, and I could take a picture of it because I wanted to take a picture as she was in the process. She drew it, and here she was painting it. So that's what that picture is, and that was day 10. And yeah, so week 2. Right here, this is a very popular cake. And actually, I didn't think about it. I could actually add this here. But this is very popular in Italy, the box cakes. And it has like raisins and has a nice flavor to it. I'm not used to really box cakes, but it's kind of cool trying something different because they sell a bunch of different ones. Like my husband likes one that has like, it's like a pistachio. It's covered like a pistachio cream topping, and then in the middle it's like a pistachio filled. So I'll try to take a picture of the box. But yeah, so it's really cool. And what we did was we had a small box and we just kind of shared. It's like breaking bread and we just shared it, me and my kids, and it was actually pretty good. So that's when we tried that. And then I actually moved this card because before I had it up front, which I've done some changes. I just took this out because I moved everything out of my traveler's notebook. And I'm actually gonna probably purchase the green one and keep all my, because I plan on doing the traveler's notebook again standard size for next year. So I'll probably purchase a green cover so I can keep all my Christmas traveler's notebooks in there. So yeah, this is just, I changed to this card. And I don't think I did. Yeah, that's about it. And I added this sticker here, but I didn't do too many changes since last time. Here we talked about the Bah Humbug. And for day 12, this is showing it was a beautiful day outside. So I just took a picture, and the leaves were still on the vines. Let's see. Okay, this is a market. So the way I did this is like a flip. Let's see, it's Yeah, it's a. I just flipped this picture here. Put the story is just saying that about us going to this little market here, and we bought some oranges, and they were really sweet because right now it's orange season, so they got an abundance of oranges, and I like. To me, I have never tasted oranges so sweet, except being here. I mean, I'm sure other places they have sweet oranges, but here, oh my gosh, the oranges are so sweet. And they got a bunch of seeds, and that's how you know they're like really good oranges. Because when there's seeds in it, you know it's not genetically modified. So, and then I'm showing the temp was 63, so I just put beautiful day and added this here. This is actually from a September kit. I just cut it, put this die cut in. I put a little doily in the back. You can't really see it, but put that. And here, which I'm probably going to write the story. I probably got to flip it. My son was underneath the tree, and my husband and my son were actually fixing the tree. So I just had to take a picture of my youngest son underneath the tree. It's just too funny. So there he goes right there. And then here, we went to a Secret Santa party and I baked some cookies. And I actually didn't get to add the picture. And that's one thing about December Daily. Like, I had printed out several different pictures. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these pictures and I'm just going to put them into an actual album because I'm still going to scrapbook my pictures. So in this, I'm going to put into my December Daily. I didn't get to, but these were the mugs that were given before Christmas. I think we gave it like a few days before. So just all the fun little Disney mugs that I ordered offline. So, but this right here, it's just a picture of this good smelling Glade candle that we bought at a store or a hypermarket. It's called Ypercoop and it smelled really good. So I took a picture. It's a warm winter hug. I don't know if they have this one in the States. They may. I actually, this is my third Christmas away from the States. So yeah, it's been really interesting. Last year we were in Abu Dhabi. This year we were in Italy. And I have to tell you, for New Year's, it was an amazing show. You could see fireworks everywhere. So it was really cool being here for Christmas and New Year. Here is a picture. Oh, my daughters were outside and they were playing. And I looked, this is right outside of my door. And I just see like the Barbie sitting up there. I don't know if you can see it. So, but yeah, so I thought it was cool that they were playing outside. Yeah, and then I put a card here, and then these are the inserts that I did in between, which I am going to keep them here still because it's part of my my book. Oh, I gotta fix that. I'll fix it in a minute. Actually, I need to glue it down because I just stuck it in there. And then there, which I showed you. And then here, so I showed you where we had, I think, put up the lights. So then on the 16th of December, we actually put in the ornaments. We bought some ornaments and then put them in the tree. And then also the candy canes, decorating the tree. And then here, just another page. And this was just a movie night. So I just did some collaging, and this is actually Pink Fresh Studio, one of their Christmas lines from this year, and I just added that. This is more of like a kind of cluster or collage that I did, but yeah, and then that's going on to week 3. So I am so proud of myself that I actually got this far, and I won't hold you long. And also I forgot to show some cards that I made from November's kit. So I'll just show you these real quick. This is just a basic note card. And this is a combination, I believe, of October, November kit. This is when they had the succulents theme. So I forgot to share those cards. Share those very simple cards. And this one, I think Autumn is here. This one, yeah, put that on the inside. One of the papers. And then I forgot to show this card as well last time. This is really cute. So this was actually a printable that we get for subscribers, and then this bow is from the one of Amy Tan's collections. And then I just thought that was cute, and I don't think I decorated. Oh, I did decorate a little bit with the washi tape, and then these are also printables. So yeah, just a quick little cute little card. And yeah, I use actually quite a bit. Some stickers I also used for my January kit. I'm actually, I did my setup, but everything shrunk down to one bag. These are the cards I had left from my kit, which I'm actually going to add this one. This one I don't know what I'm going to do with. I don't know, maybe I'll just cover this up and journal or something. This one I'm going to add as well, probably to week 3. This one I probably add to like the Christmas week of Christmas. And then stickers, I use these up. This was actually I used these stickers on my devotional, which I didn't do that well for my devotional, but that's okay. I just, you know, it's a process. Just put it that way. I had some die cuts left. I wanted to save these, so I thought they were really cute. And then yeah, just some other little extras. Stars. These alphabets I added in there. These I really didn't use. I have a few papers left, and then these I have. So yeah, so I don't think I did too bad. I mean, I think I really took care of this kit very well. And I'm not finished, so I'll still be working on this. If you want to see the final process, the week 3 and week 4, just let me know and I'll put it. Probably at the end of the month I'll be finished, but I'm ready to jump into January, and I've started setting up my planner, and I will have a video within a day or two to show my planner. So I hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you are enjoying your new year so far. And I pray that God blesses God is always blessing us, but I pray that you feel the blessings of God in your life this year and on up. So have a wonderful day. Bye.
There we go. Come on. You can do it.
There they go.
Yeah.
Oh, this is one time that they did.
They were waiting till everybody else did it.
All right, okay, now it's good. That's good. Stop.